There is so much to do in Maui, from enjoying some of the best beaches on the planet to some of the best views of the planet. That being said, here are the top attractions in the Valley Isle.
One of the main draws to Maui, of course, are its world-class beaches, and there are many. But don't be drawn to a beach just because of its reputation. For example, in Wailea Beach is probably the best known and highly rated beach, but I prefer Polo Beach, primarily because it's less busy and more intimate. All of that being said, there are some spectacular beaches all around the island, although some objectively are better than others. Some of my favorite beaches, besides Wailea and Polo beaches, are Big Beach in Makena, Kaʻanapali Beach, Kapalua Beach, Hokipa Beach for surfing and seeing turtles, Homa'a Beach, and the famous Black Sand Beach at Haleakalā Beach. One of Maui's most popular attractions, and perhaps its finest, is Haleakalā National Park. The park's most popular site is the summit, and at over 10,000 feet above sea level, offers the best views of Maui and, frankly, one of the most jaw-dropping experiences that I have ever seen. If you're considering experiencing sunrise at Haleakalā, don't forget to make a reservation. Reservations are available 60 days in advance, and then 2 days in advance, the park releases more tickets. It does book up, and reservations can be made with recreation.gov. If you prefer, you can see the sunset at Haleakalā, also amazing, and you won't need a reservation, although sunset is busy as well. Remember to arrive early and dress warm. It gets very cold at the top. One of the most beautiful drives anywhere just happens to be on Maui, and it's the road to Hana. This is a scenic drive that winds along the coastline, showcasing the breathtaking landscapes. The journey takes you through lush rainforests, past waterfalls, and offers stunning coastal views. Key stops include Waianaepanapa State Park, the Pipiwai Trail, Red Sand Beach, and the 7 sacred pools of Ohio Gulch. If you're prone to car sickness, you might want to sit this one out as the road is very, very windy. Or take a Dramamine. When you're on the island, check out some of the quaint and beautiful small towns. We've already mentioned Lahaina, and of course, once they rebuild and reopen, please support this special town. Other towns worth visiting include Paia, Hana, Wailuku, Kaʻanapali, Kapalua, Wailea, and one of my favorites, the great town of Makawao. If you're planning a trip to Hawaii, please check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. If you love boating, then consider taking a boat trip to Molokini Crater. Molokini features a partially submerged volcano crater that is known for its pristine waters and vibrant marine life. Not surprisingly, this is also a popular place for snorkeling and diving. The Maui Ocean Center is an aquarium and oceanography center and is the largest living tropical reef aquarium in the Western Hemisphere. The center highlights live coral displays and sea life endemic to the Hawaiian area. While Haleakalā grabs most of the attention, as it should, when it comes to parks and wilderness areas, there are a great number of state parks that are beautiful and honestly far easier to access. If you enjoy hiking or getting away from some of the crowds, then spend some time in one of these beautiful parks. A trip to Maui would not be complete without experiencing a traditional Hawaiian luau. These cultural celebrations not only showcase captivating hula performances, but also feature a feast of local cuisine and some very weak Mai Tais. There are many luaus to choose from, and not surprisingly, most are either in Wailea or Kaʻanapali. Tours are big business in Maui, and they are plentiful. You can take whale watching tours, snorkeling and diving tours, ATV tours, cycling tours, and helicopter tours. But Maui also offers tours of sites and attractions, such as pineapple tours, distillery tours, art tours, lavender farm tours, dragon fruit farm tours, tea farm tours, and coffee tours. Maui is home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches, and it's these beaches and the ocean that surrounds the island that gives life to many of the popular recreational activities here. Popular activities include swimming, surfing, windsurfing, kayaking, snorkeling, and diving. But recreation isn't limited to the ocean, and other activities away from the beach include ziplining, paragliding, hiking, golf, and tennis. So there you go, the beautiful Valley Isle of Maui.